How to redeem the Bilt points. Hey guys, and let's get started. Today's video will be discussing on how can we redeem the Bilt reward points. There are several ways to redeem the Bilt reward points, including transferring to Bilt airline and hotel partners or covering the Amazon purchases, fitness classes and rent payments with points. You can even use points towards a down payment on a home. So one of the best ways is to redeem your points by transferring them to Bill's airline and hotel partners. This can be transferred on things like first and business class airfare and luxury hotel stays. Some of the transfer partners includes Air Canada Aeroplane, Emirates Skywards, Iberia Plus, and much more. This way you'll be able to book award tickets for just the cost of taxes and fees. Another is redeeming the Bilt reward points for rent. You have the option of covering your rent with the Bilt rewards points. However, you will only get around 0.55 cents per point. Another option is to redeem Bilt points for the down payment on a home. And one of the best options is to redeem the Bilt reward points for Amazon purchases. You can redeem this, but for this you have to link your Bilt rewards account to Amazon and select the Bilt Mastercard as your payment method at checkout. Then you'll be prompted to redeem points to cover the cost of your purchase. So these are some of the ways to redeem it. That is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.